So good day everyone. So I'm Tanesh presenting my project called Dietitian, which is development of 5D chatbot web-based diet planning system using artificial intelligence. So basically, Dietitian is a knowledge dissemination medium for Malaysian adults to examine the health level by calculating BMI and also get the diet plans, exercise tips according to the BMI. So by using the Dietitian chatbot, they can gain the accurate diet plan and also exercise tips. And the methodology used to develop Dietitian is throwaway prototype. So where there are 6 steps, 6 phases in throwaway prototype. So for the first step is requirement and gathering and analysis, where questionnaire research methodology used to gather requirements, and based on the requirements, as the document requirements are documented in form of SRS and SDD documents. So based on the requirement gatherings, the prototype is built in form of Figma tool, and the prototype is evaluated in form of a user evaluation form by 30 respondents. So based on the feedbacks and the responses, the developer will make the change in the prototype. So after the prototype is satisfied by the users, the respondents and the developer will specify the system and develop the systems using suitable tools and languages, and the system will be validated by using questionnaire form, and based on the responses from 30 respondents, the developer will make the change and deploy the system into the market. So this is the analysis and results from Dietitian's system. So basically, we can conclude that Dietitian has an excellent prototype and also system in terms of usability, functionality, and acceptability. And we can conclude that no respondent responded that Dietitian has a very poor or average interface. And Dietitian can be commercialized into clinical hospitals where patients can use Dietitian to check their health level, industrial agency where staffs, when they don't have any time to check the health levels, they can use Dietitian. Education institutions like university schools where students can be educated from small about the importance of BMI. And also Dietitian is very beneficial for Ministry of Health or making initiatives to find solution for knowledge dissemination medium. And also Malaysian adults can have a free platform to check their and maintain their health level. So here are the system of Dietitian. So there are 4 sections like BMI sections where we can learn about BMI, user reviews, diet and nutrition blocks where we can see the nutrition blocks, and also contact me section. And this is the chatbot, so we can chat to the chatbot, where the chatbot will ask the question, the name of the user. So we can enter the name, and when we click diet plan, we request a name, and we enter our height. So it will calculate our BMI and also diet plans. So we can download the attachments. So we can see our diet plans and also BMI. We can see our BMI, and also we can get exercise tips where we can enter our weight and height. Okay, if let's say I put a wrong number or wrong formula, it will request to enter our BMI. So it will display our BMI and also the exercise tips. So we can download exercise tips. So that's all from me, and thank you.